too much here in my teeth. Shouldn't teeth man mango them slow. You like figuring on my teeth. I chew my teeth mango. I hear about people. Yeah man, I just know so before you watch the video. Yo, before you watch the video, as I say, just like the video, subscribe to my channel. After you don't watch the video, just drop a comment. You see me? Big up on yourself. Can't bother with them problem, man. Yo, when your woman get bonnet, nice, you know. Me say when your woman get bonnet, nice at all. Eat for the mango. Oh, my G, how gone? How gone, dog? There, man. Just say me I go eat 2 mango, you see me? There, man. Yeah, easy, you see me, family. One day, I see all the one Keisha on the road with a man, and I tell her, say, dog, she didn't even know Keisha, I eat that, you know. But Keisha, waste girl, you know. As a matter of fact, by the way,
I find a girl hotter.
Oh, you say she proper?
Sexy and fatter.
So you deal with it, me shatter?
Cool, because you know the girl them love chopper.
Yeah.
a matter of fact, can you believe me? A matter of fact, leave no bother eat the mango. Me afford. Me afford. Me go in your house or something and come back. Mango. Fuck. What dog? Maya unya mo mango dog? Maya, are you really nyama mango dog? No dog, ano na ito? I mean by the yun nyama mango? Maya ko tayo na. Dog, yung mano nyama mango, frigim the dog. Frigim dog, I can't. Me say me sa mga choose na mango. Yung mano nyama mango, frigim the one. Frigim this. No, I tell you, frigim the dog. Some teeth in your neck, I would tell you. I'm half up my gun. I'm not going to do it. I'm living on the teeth. I'm watch it. Go my flat out. Yeah, I did.